you want to dual boot your laptop with Windows alongside some other Linux distro. I'm doing Kali, why not? So you want to do that, then you might see some other videos, but this one is specifically for those who want to install the root or the boot part on the SSD and the home, the user part on their hard drives, HDD. So how do you do that? I'll just continue these things, and while on the disk partition, the partition part, I'll play the video again because that's the normal thing you'll get anywhere on the YouTube. Okay, at this part you just want to do the no because you want your Windows to be installed, otherwise you will kill it. Now just come to the manual way, and I think I've just effed up many things here because my Windows got deleted while doing the same thing. I'll just try to do that thing. Okay, so here is the swap part. I just made 8 GB swap part, and I'll just show you. When you do this, create new partition, and whatever the part you want to do, like you might have done the free spacing, unallocated spacing in your Windows. So at that time you might have done like 30 GB or like something like that. So just remove like why I'm saying like so many times, nervousness. Do this like 45 it was, okay, so I'll do 42. Oh, number 42. Motherfucker. 4 2 something like that, and you'll hit OK or continue down there, but I won't. 45 and continue. So this will be my root, as you see, mount point / that means root, and just do this thing, bootable flag on, and this will happen only if you have legacy BIOS, not UEFI. That thing will give pain in your arse. Understand this thing, and have MBR, not GPD. Done setting up this partition. So here we have the place where we will store all of our things. Hold on, the boot things, and this is the swap area. Keep the bootable flags off, that'll be good. And yes, while as you create the new partition, and you will get that extra thing like free space 8 GB or something like that. So just create new partition as we did earlier, hit enter, and then it will ask for how much GB and all that, and then you will be greeted with this screen. Then not this one exactly, this screen, and then you just come here, use as, and hit swap area. Okay, no bootable flag on. Done setting up this partition, enter, and here I have free space of 500 gigs, so just hit enter, create new partition, 500 gigs, logical, of course, home, ext4 journaling file system, so long name, and that's it. Done setting up the partition. And I think I've effed up my laptop because I deleted the Windows earlier trying to record the same bloody video, so I'm currently effed up. May God spare me. Just review this, that you are doing the right things. It doesn't matter for me because I've just made it worse already, so I'm fixing it. Yeah. MF. Yes. Now it will do its job, and there you have done that root part in your SSD and swap part in your SSD to make it faster and the home part on your HDD to use the space. Done.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.